all the things I never said. I'm sorry that I never did. I thank you for your precious time, for teaching me how to climb. I love you more than summertime. You've been such a good friend of mine. Every sacred word is true. I learned to love because of you. Oh, Mama, I saw the world, and it was good and full of kindness. Every step I took, you held my hand and watched me grow. You'll never know how much I love you. I am not afraid, I'm not afraid. I finally grew. Mama,